Hello everyone, my name is Gabby Taylor. I'm actually going to be completing my field placement at my job. It's a public school and I will be working with the guidance department in sync with the guidance counselors. One of the things that we'll be doing is implementing some small groups during the day, um, during one of the class periods, during some of the school lunches, and then after school hours for students who are struggling with mental health disorders, for students who have issues with truancy, and for students who are either foster care or undergoing homelessness at this time. One of the things that I'm really excited about is being able to work with these kids in a different capacity. Our building has about 1,900 kids. We have grades 9 through 12, so I do get to work with these students on a daily basis in an informal capacity. So it'll be really amazing to be able to see what we can accomplish together within a group setting, and being able to dive a bit deeper with them than what I normally get to do during school hours. Um, just in the capacity of the job that I normally do as the guidance secretary. Um, I will also say that it will be exciting to kind of dive into some of those case managements and referrals, community outreach, that type of thing, because I have already linked up with several programs that would like to be considered for referrals for our kids, for academic support, and also for therapeutic support. So I'm really excited about that. My biggest concern, honestly, is that it does stretch me out a bit thin because I have to work a lot longer hours and just trying to figure out how to manage that time well because I'm already starting to feel really, really tired because this changes when I go to bed and I have to get up a lot earlier and stay at work a lot later. So just trying to figure out how to manage all of that. I think I'm just gonna try to, set small goals for myself throughout the week so that I'm not completely overwhelmed with the tasks I have to take care of at home, balancing everything that I have to do at work, and then obviously getting my schoolwork taken care of. So I look forward to talking with all of you in the peer-to-peer discussions as well as the live field discussions, and good luck everybody on your field placements. Bye.